Grabe, solo-solo kaya.
Broccoli? Seriously? Yeah, how do I make a lollipop out of it?
Sarap. Saan tayo?
Sa Jollibee.
Kasi, anong ginagawa natin dito?
Nandiyan tayo ni Makaluto.
Nang,
Jollibee.
kasi,
Kasi may reward.
marami kang award. Sana all.
But whatever, I'll try it
Diba?
anyway.
Maganda para pag may award. Bibigyan pang Jollibee.
Look at this!
Mag-thank you kay Mama Lula.
Thank you, Mama Luna.
So, ikaw, Gray?
Mama Lula.
Sabit ka no, sabit. Ikaw, kay sabit ka rin. Eh. Pero waiting pa tayo, waiting. Waiting.
Ano?
Antay sa Jollibee. Nood muna, nood.
And it was a delicacy. Sadie, is everything okay?
Bantay bata.
Not hurting anything.
Wow, andyan na Jollibee. Ki, sana all may kalaruan, Ki. Sige sa kayo? Wow, ito Kuya Red Red. Chus. Ano na? Paano? Kiss talaga? Tawag mamang. Mamang, picture mamang. Ano yung sa'yo, Ki? Oh, mamaya na, Greg. Mamaya na si Papang. Wow. Mamaya na yan, Kuya Red Book. Greg Buksan. Sige na, mamaya na. Ilagay mo muna dyan. Kaya mawala yan. Wow. Pang-design, man dapat to. Wow. Sarap naman mag-award.
What is this?
Sana dapat ako din, may ganyan din. No?
Okay, I'll try
Kaso
it.
wala ako ganyan dati. Hi.
Not bad. Wait, what is this? Is it a
May
spicy
laruan,
pepper?
dami eh. Daming laruan.
I think that's mine now. I think I burned the last sandwich.
Oh, si Gray.
Not going to save it now.
Hi. Saan yung laruan mo?
Still win. It's just perfect.
May kuplo pa.
Hooray!
Ba't ako wala ang kuplo? Ba't kayo lang? Ah. Dahil na, kaya na tayo.
Interesting. Are we going to fry anything?
Subo nga.
So, ready.
Grabe mga
I want this lollipop.
Hindi makadahan-dahan eh.
It's Izzy.
Si Pinky. Grabe, solo-solo kaya.
Broccoli? Seriously? Yeah, how do I make a lollipop out of it?
Sarap.
Ma'am.
Daming laruan eh.
Ma'am. Dati na ganyan ako ah.
Ano?
Dati na ganyan ako.
Tapos,
Gum?
iwan ako.
And how do I make a lollipop out of it?
Sa akin. Uy, spaghetti.
I'll shake it up and pour it into a saucepan. I'll
Ganun mo
add
muna
sugar. Oh, yeah, more sugar. Now, blue dye.
Ganyan. Kasi pa yun eh. Ano yung...
Oh, yeah, that's what you need.
Tapos, inumin ko.
Cook my roux.
No? Ako naman, kaya naman ako.
Okay.
Sige, buti ba si Gray, behave lang.
So,
Pahinga ko ng coke, Gray.
from the cotton swab and dip it in the cup. Something is wrong.
Next, Gray.
Well, that let me pour everything
Sarap.
into the bowl.
Si Pinky talaga, oh.
And now I'm making a bowl myself with my hands.
Grabe.
Then work on the
Kaya mo na. Okay? Okay.
amazing.
Lahat talaga?
French fries.
This will be my best pie yet.
Ay, Kuya Gray, si Pinky, oh. Lahat.
Drinks on top.
Ano, burger? Hindi ba burger yung order mo?
Grilled right before our eyes.
Ubusin mo yung chicken mo. Ikaw, Gray? Ubusin mo muna yung chicken
Wow,
mo.
that's so huge. One final touch. Now we're just gonna apply the frosting. I've got a huge bag of frosting for every
Burger,
layer.
oh.
My cake turned out so bright and beautiful.
Grabe.
Alright, next up, let's
Ayaw mo na sa chicken mo?
Nung ano.
Spaghetti na sa'yo.
ready. One last decoration.
Grabe.
I want to make something that's good
Bakit hindi sa akin?
Oo, okay. Pag dyan, lagay dyan.
as the cake is.
Kainin mo na. Wag dyan. Saan? Dito lang. Dito.
Everything's ready.
Dito dyan. Yan.
Perfect rainbow. I'm gonna put it on the very top.
Hindi yan. Subo. Gray.
Put it on the
Red.
sides. I'll put some stars here too. This looks so nice. Let's add some clouds to the rainbow. My cake is perfect. Hey, where'd Grandma go?
Sarap.
What? Where? Ooh. My pie. That's right. Smells so good. This pie turned out wonderful. I want that pie too. Mine looks so bad. Even Grandma's is better than mine. I have an idea. Let's add some colored candies. Now this turned out way more beautiful. This is even better than I thought.
Dahan lang.
Good for you, Jake.
Dahan lang. Sige, dahan lang.
You guys are no match for me. Whoa, not bad. This is so cute.
May nabigyan ng price, oh.
It's delicious.
May
I'm gonna start
nabigyan.
with this.
Fries.
Beautiful piece. I want to eat it really fast.
Yan na sa'yo.
Let's see what it tastes like.
Burger. Ikaw kumain ka na. Ayan.
Whoa, super sugary. It melts in my mouth. Amazing. I want to eat every last crumb.
Nabihan mo ng award sa sunod para may Jollibee ulit. No? Nabihan mo ng award para Jollibee tayo ulit. No? O, thank you kay Mama Lula.
Thank you, Mama Lula.
Yes.